Hi, morning everyone, Richard here. So I'm out at the very bright morning. Luckily the weather is good today. I've got hold of the KASE CPL3. This is a new filter, CPL filter from KASE. So let's unbox it and have a look. It's a 77mm, which is meant for my lens. And very nice box. And these KASE filters are wonderful. I love the, super thin, look at that. Super thin. And I love the KASE filters because their clarity is very good. It's super sharp clarity, you can look at that, right? So, and the reflection rate, the flare and reflection rate is super good because the KASE is very good at making filters, right? So, and whatever filters that any glass product that they produce is very clear and a very low reflection, and you can reduce the flare. And I'm going to test it out. I'm going to get a sunrise. I'm a bit late, actually I should come earlier. On my Canon lens, I will show you. Okay, this is my Canon lens. This is the Tamron 20 to 40 mm f2.7 to 3.5. This is a very old lens. So this lens is famous for, if you point it direct to the sunlight, it's very high flare and ghosting, right? So that's why I want to test it out with this CPL. If it can reduce the flare and ghosting on this very old design lens, because there's no coating on these old lenses and there's coating on this. So this is very good, high clarity. You can use it for, it's designed for actually 8K, right? So I'm not shooting 8K. So I put on the CPL on the camera. This is how it looks like. Then we'll adjust it. This is adjust, very thin. And we shall see how the video looks like on the clarity. That's how it looks like with the CPL. If I turn it, let's look how it looks like. And then look at that. How's the reflection on the water and the sun as I turn it. And then if I take out the filter, see how it looks like. The sun is getting higher, so look at that, without the filter, right? That's it. So with the filter, let's put it back on. Okay. How does that look like? And then this is with the one from KASE. We shall take a few more photographs and then different angle and see. Okay, now we're going to try this f11 100. This is the without the CPL. This is the normal CPL from unbranded. It's uncoated. Let's see how's the lens flare. I can see the flare there already on the side. Let's take it out. And then this one is with KASE, right? So this how it looks like in front of the lens. Now without the filter, I can't see anything. It's because the sunlight is so bright. And we'll see how it looks like if I'm here. And let's turn it around. You can see my face. How bright is it? The darkness. And let's turn the shutter speed down, the aperture down, so you can see it's brighter. So I'm brighter now. So let's see how it goes with the filter. I'm going to put on the KASE first, and you can see how it looks like with the KASE CPL3. That's how it looks like. Let's focus on me. And how does it look like with the CPL? Looks a bit darker now, so I need to brighten up. 6.3, right? That looks brighter. Right, how's the gradient on my face? Is it too harsh? Right, f8. Right, this is f5, very bright now. Right, f5. You can see my face and my eye, and my face is overblown, right? So f7.1, and take it out, and then we'll put we'll put this is without the filter, we'll put the normal filter, right? It's normal CPL, that's how it looks like. So if you can see through my specs, which is good, right? So that's how it looks like. And this is without, right? This without CPL. You can see the lens flare. And this is with CPL. We shall try to get a few shots out of this, right? So I really like it on my 20 to 40 mm Tamron lens. It's very old lens, so it doesn't have any coating. So this really helps a lot. And I hope you like the video and the pictures, and the horses are passing by again. I'll see you on the next one, and bye. See you. Subscribe, right? Bye.